Discover top performance and stunning image quality with today's most reliable photography gear. The best Nikon cameras deliver exceptional clarity, fast autofocus, and versatile features designed for every shooting style. Capture action, portraits, and landscapes with confidence using equipment built for both beginners and professionals. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Nikon Z50 Nikon camera. The Nikon Z50 is the kind of camera that immediately feels like a major upgrade from a phone without becoming bulky or overcomplicated. Its 20.9 megapixel DX sensor delivers crisp colors and impressive detail whether you're shooting early morning light or golden hour portraits. What makes this camera stand out is how effortlessly it adjusts to your creative style. With 31 built-in picture control presets and the option to download new ones from Nikon's cloud, you can shape the look of your photos in real time. Autofocus is equally dependable, locking onto people, pets, birds, and even vehicles with ease. For creators who dabble in video, the Z50 offers smooth 4K 60p footage, slow motion recording, and built-in electronic VR to steady your shots. The included 16-50mm and 50-250mm lenses give you a ready-to-shoot kit for landscapes, portraits, and distant subjects. Compact, intuitive, and versatile, the Z50 is built for everyday shooters wanting pro-level results. Number 2. Nikon D7500 Nikon camera. The Nikon D7500 delivers the performance of Nikon's higher-end models while remaining approachable for enthusiasts wanting more control. It shares imaging DNA with the renowned D500, giving you a dependable sensor, excellent low-light handling, and a wide ISO range that keeps shots clean and detailed. The tilting 3.2-inch touchscreen makes composing and reviewing photos more comfortable, especially when shooting at tricky angles. Its 51-point autofocus system is fast and steady, supported by 15 cross-type points that help lock onto moving subjects, while the 8 FPS burst mode ensures you never miss the right moment. Video performance is equally impressive, offering 4K Ultra HD, 1080p Full HD, and time-lapse options with accurate metering and smooth exposure adjustments. Whether you're capturing sports, wildlife, travel, or everyday scenes, the D7500 delivers flexibility and reliability, making it a strong companion for photographers stepping into more advanced territory. Number 3. Nikon COOLPIX Nikon camera. The Nikon COOLPIX series, especially this 125x zoom powerhouse, is built for photographers who want stunning reach without dealing with interchangeable lenses. With an optical zoom range equivalent to 24 to 30,000 millimeters, you can jump from wide-angle landscapes to distant wildlife in seconds. The stabilization system is surprisingly effective, giving you steady shots even when zoomed all the way in. It handles everything from raw photos to 4K UHD video, slow motion clips, and time-lapse sequences, making it a highly versatile travel and adventure camera. Birdwatchers will appreciate the dedicated mode on the dial, which optimizes autofocus and exposure for feathered subjects, while the macro function lets you move as close as a centimeter to capture tiny textures and details. The customizable control ring is a thoughtful touch, allowing quick changes to exposure or manual focus. It's an all-in-one solution for users who want flexibility and reach without the complexity of a full camera system. Number 4. Nikon SLR DX Nikon camera. This Nikon SLR DX model delivers a dependable shooting experience with imaging performance comparable to Nikon's professional D500. It combines a robust ISO range and advanced image processing to deliver sharp, clean results in various lighting conditions. The 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen gives you flexibility for both high-angle and low-angle shots, and it remains responsive whether you're navigating menus or reviewing photos. Its 51-point autofocus system is designed for action, offering reliable tracking with 15 cross-type points and an 8 FPS continuous shooting mode that suits sports, events, and wildlife. When it comes to video, the camera supports both 4K UHD and Full HD recording with smooth exposure transitions and stereo sound. Connectivity is simple thanks to built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth via Nikon SnapBridge, making quick sharing easy. With durability, accuracy, and strong video features, this SLR is ideal for users wanting a classic DSLR experience with modern performance.
Number 5. Nikon COOLPIX P950 Nikon Camera. The Nikon COOLPIX P950 is a favorite among beginners and hobbyists who want extreme zoom capability without carrying multiple lenses. Its 16-megapixel sensor pairs with an 83x optical zoom, equivalent to a massive 2,000mm reach, giving you the ability to photograph distant wildlife, airplanes, or the moon with surprising clarity. On top of that, the 166x dynamic fine zoom provides even more extension for subjects that are truly far away. The camera includes dedicated bird and moon modes that simplify tricky shooting conditions and automatically adjust settings for clearer results. Its handling is comfortable and intuitive, and the range of scene modes helps newcomers get great results without manual adjustments. The P950 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants long-distance shooting power in a compact, easy-to-use package. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.